Hello guys, today we'll be learning algebra, adding and subtracting polynomials. For the warm-up, the first thing we're going to do is simplify using positive exponents. So we're going to distribute the -7 to all the exponents inside. So to this guy, and to that guy. So we're going to get W7, -7 times 2 would be 14. Ooh. So we get -14, and in K2, the 0 times -7 is going to be 0. So K to the 0, whatever to the 0 power is always 1. So we can leave that out. And then -5 times -7 is going to be 35. So it's going to be P to the power of 35. What can we do with a -14? W -14 is that we can flip it. So we get P to the power of 35 divided by W to the power of 14. And then for number 2, put in order from least to greatest. So for the first one, 3 times 10 to the -5, we're going to write 3, and the decimal number, the decimal dot is behind number 3 right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to move it to the right 5 times because -5. So when it's a negative, we always move to the right, and when it's a positive, we move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where our decimal dot is going to be. And then we'll fill all of these spots with 0. So 0.00003 is the answer for the first number. The second number is going to be 6 times 10 -8. So we're going to move it to the right again, but this time 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's our decimal dot right there. And then we fill all of these spaces with 0 like I did before. That's what we're going to get. And then the last number, we are going to, see, they already showed us where the decimal spot is. Right there. And we move it to the right 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And then, so which one is the least and which one's the greatest? This guy is the least. This guy is the greatest. So it's going to be this guy first. And then this guy second. This guy third. The purpose at the end of this lesson, you should be able to classify various polynomials. You should also be able to add or subtract monomials. So there are 4 different types of polynomials. How I like to remember them is by their prefix. Monomial has the same prefix as monopoly. So when we play the game Monopoly, we have only like one winner, and the person has exclusive control over the whole game. So that's 1. Binomial has the same prefix as binoculars, which has 2. Trinomial, like tricycle, 3 wheels. And polynomials are like polygons where there's 3 or more sides. So monomial 1, binomial 2, trinomial 3, and polynomial 3 or more. So for monomial, we have 1 number of terms. Example is 78b. And degree here is 1. For binomials, the number of terms is 2. An example would be 3x plus 1. And the degree is 1. The degree is 1 because on top of x, the exponent is 1. Trinomial, we have 3 number terms. 2x squared and then plus 4x minus 11. That's an example. And the degree here, the highest degree is 2, which is on top of x. X is to the 2. And polynomials is 3 or more. 2x to the 5th power plus 17x to the 3rd power minus 9x plus 93. So that would be 3 or more terms. And the highest degree here you see is 5, right? So the degree would be 5. What is not a polynomial? So polynomials are always positive numbers, right? So whatever has a negative exponent would be not a polynomial. So example would be 8x to the negative 3. Is the following a polynomial? If so, find its degree. So the first one, yes, it's a polynomial because there's no negative exponents. So yes. And the degree, the highest degree here you see is 8. So the degree is 8. Then, for this little guy here, the second one, is it a polynomial? Yes, because it only has positive exponents. And the degree, the highest degree is 2. So the degree is 2. The third one, is it a polynomial? No, because if you rewrite this, it's actually 3x to the negative 1 plus 5. So it's not a polynomial. So no. The answer is no. And for the fourth example, is it a polynomial? Do you see only positive degrees, positive exponents? Yes. So it is a polynomial, and the highest degree here is 2. Find each sum or difference. Classify the degree and the specific polynomial. Write your answer in standard form. So we combine like terms. So what we're going to do with m squared, we can combine like terms. And the 9 and the 6, we can combine them. And we will get, so 5m squared plus 3m squared is 8m squared. Plus 9 plus 6, 15. For example number 6, we have 7a to the 3rd power minus a plus 3a to the 2nd power minus 8a squared minus 3a minus 4. So first what we want to do is we want to distribute the negative to all of these guys right here. So it's going to be 7a to the 3rd power minus a plus 3a to the 2nd power right there minus 8a squared plus, because minus and minus becomes plus, 3a and plus 4, because minus and minus becomes plus. So then we combine like terms. So this guy can be combined with this guy, right? And then I'll use a different color. This guy we can combine with this guy, and that's all we can combine. So 7a3 to third power, and then 3 minus 8 would be negative 5. So negative 5a to the second power, and then negative 1a plus 3a would be positive 2a and plus 4. Yay. Okay, so now you try these 3 problems, and we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, guys. Bye.